Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Robinhood, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Robinhood, first, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and select sign up to create your account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Next, provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Robinhood will ask for your social security number for tax purposes and identity verification. After entering your information, read and accept the terms and conditions. You may need to verify your identity through a temporary verification code sent to your email or phone. Once your account is verified, link your bank account for funding. To do this, select your bank, enter your login details, and confirm the connection. After your bank account is linked, deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Tap on the Invest tab to explore available investment options. You can search for stocks, ETFs, or options that you're interested in purchasing. Once you find a stock you want to buy, tap on it to get more details. Review the stock's performance, market cap, and relevant news. When ready, click on the Trade button to place an order. Select whether you want to buy or sell, then choose the number of shares. Review your order details, ensuring everything is correct. If satisfied, proceed by tapping Submit. After your order is executed, you can monitor your investments under the Portfolio tab. Stay informed by checking market trends and financial news regularly. Consider using the educational resources Robinhood offers to enhance your investing knowledge. Remember to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Keep track of your portfolio's performance and adjust your strategy as necessary. Investing involves risks, so always consider your financial situation before making decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.